Back in college 2018, I used to read about news of data breaches and cyber attacks, along with financial losses they incurred. It made me realize the immense value of data and the crucial need to protect it. That's how I got really interested in cybersecurity. Now, as I reached my final semester, an exciting opportunity came by my way. During 6 months of intensive training, I explored topics like penetration testing, network security, SOC, cloud security, and more. My interest in cloud security grew, and I even worked on hands on projects related to security data and privacy in cloud. And now, today, I'm very proud to be an analyst at Deloitte India, where I play a crucial role in monitoring and implementing solutions to prevent cyber incidents. It's a request to all the new students starting out. I encourage you to consider cybersecurity as your path. It's a dynamic and rewarding field with exciting opportunities to explore.
Being a woman in cybersecurity is empowering. Many women face online threats, and what I have learned not only protects me but also helps other women to stay safe online. Before I joined Skill Development Institute, cybersecurity was like a puzzle I couldn't solve. But my passion for it and my constant learning have changed that. Now I understand it better and can explain why it matters. I specialize in vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, a fascinating field where there's always more to learn. I am at Deloitte India now, improving my skills in web, cloud, and network security, and moving towards becoming a cybersecurity expert. It's important to focus on online safety and keep learning. Together, we can make the digital world safer and more inclusive for everyone.
When the COVID-19 pandemic happened, I noticed a surge in cyber attacks, and my cousin also fell victim to that. So that's when I realized how important cybersecurity has become in our lives. When I was at skill development, my main focus was on vulnerability assessments and penetration testing. And now I am applying that knowledge in my current role at Risk Advisory, Deloitte India, where I do vulnerability scans and help to secure the systems. My final message to all the beginners like me is that cybersecurity matters to everyone and there's a promising future in this world. So let's all stay secure and help to grow the field of cybersecurity.